Fiat is stepping up in the electric vehicle game with something that could totally change how drivers power their cars. In a bold move, they've teamed up with Ample and Free to Move to launch a brand new battery swapping system that takes just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 5 minutes and you're back on the road. That means no more waiting around at public charging stations for what feels like forever. This exciting pilot program is launching in Madrid, where the first battery swap station, built with Ample's cutting-edge tech, has officially been installed. The system is being tested with a fleet of Fiat 500 electric vehicles operated by Free to Move, a mobility company offering short-term rentals and car sharing. For now, it's all about refining the process and making sure the experience is as smooth and reliable as possible. But make no mistake, the long-term plan is to open this service to everyday electric car owners. By the middle of the year, 2025, Fiat aims to expand the fleet to 100 electric vehicles in Madrid, giving even more drivers a chance to try out this game-changing solution. The idea here is simple. Remove one of the biggest hassles of electric vehicles: long charging times. Instead of sitting around for an hour or more waiting to charge, you just pull in, swap your depleted battery for a fresh one, and hit the road again. Fast, clean, and seamless. This collaboration is a perfect example of how smart technology and strong partnerships can reshape urban mobility. It's not just about building electric cars, it's about making them easy to use and fit effortlessly into daily life. Fiat is pushing the envelope, making electric cars not only practical, but something people genuinely want to drive every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next in the world of future mobility.